Yeah, so beefs makes the entertainment industry very, very interesting. Why? Because we get to hear fresh piece, or let me say fresh angles of various artists. Yeah, so there's a new beef between Shatawale and Aisha Modi, and you're welcome back to Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on Odate J's TV. As always, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so the beef is between Shatawale and Aisha Modi. Yeah, so Aisha Modi is an alleged PRO of Stonebwoy, but then Stonebwoy has not come out to say officially that she is, but then she's in the camp of Stonebwoy, and you know she's really been fighting for Stonebwoy. Even if somebody goes after Stonebwoy, Aisha Modi will definitely come and fight. And as we already know, the latest or the recent issue had to do with a blogger, you know, blogging, or let me see, publishing a post which you know, in one way or the other tarnished the image of Stonebwoy, and Aisha Modi had to drag the person to, you know, get the blogger arrested and all that. As I said, she has really been fighting for Stonebwoy, especially when somebody's trying to dent the image of Stonebwoy. Yeah, so fresh keys or fresh gossip coming from the camp is that Aisha Modi has accused Shatawale of sleeping with his cousin. And guys, this keys or this allegation is very, very serious. And shortly after she wrote that particular post, of which I'm going to read right now, yeah, so Aisha Modi said, "Someone sits home and lobby for collaborations. Another man travels and seal deals for his brand to be recognized worldwide and enjoy all the returns after investing. In this era, we still have people comparing Stonebwoy to some artists in Ghana here. You wish your favorite artist is working harder like Stonebwoy. Appreciate his effort and stop confusing yourself by hating. Our dancehall king is busy working. Wahala for the comedians in GH. Hashtag Beam Nation." Yeah, so if you have been following the entertainment industry very, very well, you know who Aisha Modi is shading. Shortly after she made this particular post with Stonebwoy's picture, a fan of Shatawale came hard at, you know, Aisha Modi, and this is what a fan of Shatawale had to say. Yeah, so the fan of Shatawale also commented on this particular post saying that, "See Mumu, the fact that he decided to roam around and take pictures in this corona era doesn't make him hardworking than the next person. Stop fooling here." Yeah, so immediately after this particular post by the fan of Shatawale, Aisha Modi also reacted or responded or replied the fan by saying that, "Tell your king to stop sleeping with his so-called cousin and work hard. You fools should bring yourselves and you will hear nonsense. Kwasia." Yeah, so this is where, or this is actually happening. This is the start of a fresh beef between Shatawale, and I'm sure definitely Shatawale is going to see this particular post and go hard on Aisha Modi, because already Aisha Modi has been taking swipes at, you know, top artists. You know, the recent one when she took a swipe at Sarkodie, and Sarkodie replied him in, you know, the cold song by, you know, Joey B featuring Sarkodie, and I'm sure Shatawale is definitely going to reply to this particular post. Yeah, guys, so as you wait for Shatawale response, don't forget to also subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. So don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms at Odate_GH, and also log on to my blog for the latest entertainment news and gossip. That's www.odatejhnews.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.